Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to fix this error which says there has been a critical error on your website. So I hope you are using WordPress, because we're gonna fix this in WordPress. Probably there is something what they call a broken plugin which is giving a problem. So in my case, I think that's the problem, but in your case, I don't know. But try the tricks I'm gonna show you, then we see if it's gonna work for us. What we're gonna do, we're gonna try to go to the admin panel. If it doesn't give us access, you can see also I don't think we have any access now, so that's the conflict now. So the only best way, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to cPanel and we try to log in. Once we log in here, after logging in, then what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to File Manager. After File Manager, then you go to Public HTML, then you look for your web content, then you look for your plugins. After getting all these plugins, we suspect there is a plugin which is giving trouble. Smart slider, the best way, let me show you how to do things anyway. The best way, so if you suspect this plugin, do like this, rename that plugin and just say just say underscore rename, underscore renamed. Then you copy that, because we're going to use it in future. Then you rename. Okay, after doing that, then we can go back to our website and see what's going on. It's gonna be NW. Once we still see the same thing, then we say that's not a whatever. That's not the problem. So what we do, we gonna get one by one, one by one. We can, you start with what you suspect first of all. After suspected stuff is what we're gonna start with. Then also we do this, we rename. After renaming that, we go back, we refresh. Okay, you can see we still see the problem. And after that, we say what else could be the problem. Sharply, this one could be the problem. You rename one by one, but those you suspect first. After renaming that, and still get the error. Let's see. Wow, you can see now that we had an issue with one of the plugins, and that plugin is what we renamed now Sharply. This is the problem. So once you see that this is the problem, you would have renamed each and everything, but now it's better to do the trick I've been using here. If you know that this is the problem, so what you do, you click on that, you delete the problem, say okay. After that, then you go back here, you say rename, and take out that, you rename. There's another plugin we did rename, this one, Google Sliders, whatever, logo slider. We'll rename this also. After renaming that, then try to test. We still got a problem. Oh, there are a couple of them. Believe this one also the problem. I'm gonna delete that because I don't even need that. And also site panel, no, I did this. Anything which deals with sliders, I think is the one which gives conflict with my website. So those I just deleted them because I don't need them anyway. Let me go back. Still I get that problem. Maybe it needs to refresh. Yeah, it just needed to refresh. You can see now I don't have any issue. Let me see. I got to test because you might find out like it was by, do we have another plugin which is giving us a trouble? Okay. Okay, contact. Okay, let's go to plugins bar and see what is the problem. If they are fine, then guys, we're gonna declare a win, victory. We're going to plugins. We're here on plugins. You can see plugin what slider PHP has been deactivated due to an plugin file does not exist. You see, this is what one of the sharply whatever. Also, this for the slider was giving me trouble, and let me see if I can find it here, and I delete, because I deleted it in the folder page. Builder by Jack whatever Dolly what Elementor. Okay, I did delete most of them. I only see this error now. Let me refresh, see if it can be gone. I'm seeing another blank screen. Okay, I need to use, I think, to delete my cache from the browser. Click there, plugins. You can see after refreshing, I don't see any issue anymore. That was my major issue. So I guess all these plugins are fine for me. And Google Site Kit, Elementor, Contact Forever, WordPress SEO, original panels. Okay, guys, I think you can try that trick. It could help you fix or solve your problem. In my case, there have been a critical error. No, this one needs, I think, something like I clicked something, then I saw the problem. Sometimes it becomes because of the browser cache is not cleared. But those are the plugins, and if you see that nothing is working, you can delete all plugins. Nothing gonna happen, but you have to write them down, because sometimes you might forget. Like you can see, like here, it's giving me trouble, another trouble. There's nothing. You can see it needs the browser cache to be like refreshed or cleared. That's why you can see sometimes when you click on one thing, it gives you some problems. So I'm on themes, I click on comments, I click on media, I click on post. You saw sometimes when we could click on some. Or what you can do after fixing that and you see it's working, use another browser. If you have Google Chrome, go to Google Chrome, or if you have Safari, use Safari or Firefox, but not the same browser you fixed the problem from, because you can get that and you start thinking, oh, something is going on here. Like here, I clicked here, I can see a blank page, but it needs just a refresh. Once you refresh, you get all your posts back. You get me? So you can see on some links I click and I also find like it gives me a blank page, and also sometimes it gives me that issue. So the issue is gone, I believe so. So by deleting those plugins, especially look for plugins which talks about what they call sliders and stuff. So after doing that, you're gonna be fine 100%. That's the thing, I believe. So you can see even what Google Site Kit is working 100%. So you have to clear your cache if you're using one browser. Like me, I'm using only one browser. So but that's the thing. So if everything is giving you problems, you can delete all the plugins once if you fail to use the trick I gave you. But it's better to do one by one, because most of these plugins, when you delete them, nothing gonna happen on your side. So That's the thing, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope I see you in the next video. And if you have any problems, please talk to us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.